Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Airtable forms with the 2024 Form Builder. This is a step-by-step guide will help you create, customize, and share forms using Airtable. Let's get started. First, log into Airtable. If you don't have an account yet, head over to airtable.com and sign up. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your workspace. If you don't have any bases yet, you'll need to create one. Click on Add a Base and either choose a template or start from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll start with a blank base. Click on Start from Scratch and give your base a name, like Client Feedback. Then, choose a color and icon, and click Create Base. Now that your base is ready, let's set up the table that will store your form responses. By default, Airtable gives you a few columns, but you can customize these to suit your needs. For example, you might want to include fields like client name, email, project feedback, and rating. To change a column, click on the column header, select Customize Field Type, and choose the type that matches your data, such as single line text or long text for feedback. With your table set up, it's time to create your form. Click on the Views button in the top left corner of your table, then select Form from the list. This will open the Airtable Form Builder where you can customize how your form looks and functions. You'll see a preview of your form on the right and a list of your table fields on the left. To add a field to your form, simply drag it from the left side into the form. For example, drag client name to the top of the form to make it the first question. You can reorder the fields by dragging them up or down in the form. Next, let's customize the appearance and settings of the form. Click on the Form Settings button at the top of the form preview. Here, you can change the form's title, add a description, and even upload a logo to personalize the form. If you want to make certain fields required, click on the field in the form preview and toggle on Required. Airtable forms also allow you to add conditional logic, meaning certain questions will only appear based on previous answers. To set this up, click on the field you want to show conditionally. Then, click on Add Condition. For example, you could show a "Why did you give us this rating?" field only if the client gives a rating below a certain threshold. Once you're happy with your form, it's time to share it. Click on the Share Form button at the top right of the screen. Airtable will generate a shareable link that you can send to your clients or embed on your website. You can also customize the link to make it more user-friendly. If you want to track responses, you can enable email notifications. Go back to the table view, Click on the Automations tab and set up a new automation. Choose when a form is submitted as the trigger. And then select Send an email as the action. This way, you'll be notified every time someone fills out your form. To view the responses, just go back to your table. Each submission will appear as a new row, with all the data filled in according to your form fields. You can use Airtable sorting, filtering, and grouping features to organize and analyze your responses. And that's it. You've now learned how to create, customize, and share forms using Airtable's 2024 Form Builder. From setting up your table and designing your form to sharing it and tracking responses, you're all set to streamline your data collection process. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!